Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 91. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got the 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. No help here. 2, 6, 9. No help here. 2, 6, 9. And no help here. 2, 6, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 2. 1 here, so 2, 5. For this top row, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 7. 7 here, so 1, 3. 1 here, so 3, 7. So that means the only place the 1 can be in that row is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here, so this is our 5. That 8 makes this our 1, 8. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 4, and no help here, 3, 4, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 7. 6 here, so 3, 7. So that means the only place the 6 can be in that box is here. For this column now, we're missing 2, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering here and a 7 covering here, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 5, 6. 5 here, so 6, 8. 6 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 2, 3. 2 here, 8 here, so 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 8 here, so 2, 9. 2 and 9 here, and an 8 means this is our 6. That 2 and 9 makes this our 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 9. That 8 makes this our 5, 3, 2. That 5 makes this our 6, 8. Let's do some cleanup. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. With that 6, we can get rid of this 6. That means the only place the 6 can be in this column is here. For this row now, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 5. That makes this our 2, 4. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. And that 2 makes this our 1, 5, 1. That 4 makes this our 3. For this box now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. That 3 makes this our 7, 4, and that 7 makes this our 3 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.